What's up folks, Chef Nate here with another quick kitchen tips video. Today I'm going to show you how to cut up SpongeBob's house. So are you ready kids? I can't hear you, so first thing you're going to do is take a good sharp knife, I like a serrated knife for this function, and cut off both ends of the pineapple. Get rid of those. Normally I wouldn't cut this in half, but I want to show you two different methods. This first method is great if you're going to be grilling this piece of pineapple. You're going to want good thick pieces that aren't going to fall through the grill. And people just like the presentation this way. So cut off all the skin. And get rid of that too. Put the pineapple on the side. And I'm cutting about maybe ½ inch thick slices. Boom. Ready for the grill. Awesome. Method number 2 is if you're wanting to eat this right away, this core right in the middle here is pretty fibrous, pretty tough. So go ahead and cut it into quarters, then once again into eighths. You're going to remove the core like that. You can see why this would make more sense for using a full piece, because you're just going to go along the whole thing. Imagine there's the rest of the pineapple over there. And then boom, boom, boom. Nice bite-sized pieces. All right, and there you have it. 2 awesome ways to cut up pineapple. Thanks a lot and have a great one. Very good.